In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to your Squarespace website. By the end, you'll have your schedule showing right on your site using the built-in embed tools. Start in your calendar. Open your Google Calendar in a browser and look at the left sidebar under My Calendars. Hover over the calendar you want to display, then click the three dots to open the options menu. From that menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This takes you to the settings page for just that calendar. Scroll until you see the section called Integrate Calendar. Here, Google provides an embed code, usually an iframe, that displays your calendar anywhere you paste it. Click inside the embed code box to highlight everything and copy it. If you want to fine-tune the look later, you can adjust the width, height, or default view in this code, but copying it as it works perfectly to start. Quick tip: if you want visitors to see event details on your site, make sure the calendar is shared appropriately in your calendar settings. Otherwise, only you will see those details when logged in. Now switch over to your Squarespace site and open the page where you want the calendar to appear. In the page editor, add a new content area or choose an existing section, then click Add Block. From the block menu, select Embed. You'll see an embed block appear on the page. Click the pencil icon on that embed block to open its editor. In the editor, choose Code Snippet so you can paste custom code. Then click Embed Data to bring up the input where your code goes. Paste the calendar embed code you copied from Google Calendar into this field. You should see a preview populate. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment, then confirm and save the block. Once the block is saved, use the page editor's Save or Publish option to apply your changes. Visit the live page to verify everything looks right. If the calendar seems cut off, return to the embed block and adjust the height or width values in the iframe. For a cleaner fit on different devices, choose a generous height so monthly views aren't cramped. If you don't see any events, double check that you embedded the correct calendar and that its sharing settings allow it to be viewed on your site. That's it. Your Google Calendar is now embedded in Squarespace. You can reuse the same process on other pages or duplicate the block to keep styling consistent across your site. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.